Welcome to this quick demonstration of BeyondTrust Password Safe and Jira Service Management. The BeyondTrust Password Safe integration with Jira Service Management provides organizations the ability to seamlessly request and approve access to managed systems and accounts, all without having to change their user interfaces while adhering to a company's incident and change management processes. A Jira Service Management user can request to check out credentials or sessions for privileged accounts managed by Password Safe using any of the ITSM access approval flows, such as incident, change, problem, or service request. The user only gains access to the asset and the privileged account that was requested and approved. Once approved, the user can initiate an RDP or SSH session right from within Jira Service Management using the native connectivity tools such as Remote Desktop Connection or PuTTY without ever having to leave the native Jira UI. Some key features of the integration include auditing around who approved the request and to which privileged account and asset. Request to check out credentials or sessions for privileged accounts managed by Password Safe. This integration works in all ticket types such as incident, change, problem, or service request. And finally, it is very simple to install and configure. Here we are logged in as user Jin Liu, who is a member of the server admin team, and will be putting in a request to gain access to a Windows server and a Linux server as part of a change control. She will start with the Windows server first and put in some basic details about the change. And finally, we'll submit the request. The request will flow into a CAB member, who in this case is Arjun Singh, who will review and approve the request. Arjun will make sure that the appropriate asset has been tagged in the change request. And finally, Arjun will select the appropriate change approval flow. For demonstration purposes, we'll select an emergency override. Back over to the user Jin, she will see that the request has been approved and will proceed to gain access to the system. Here we can see that she can gain access to the privileged account's password to access that system directly or initiate a session via Password Safe. Both these options are configurable within the integration. First, she will proceed to retrieve the password of a privileged managed account that is associated with that system. Once the password has been retrieved, Jin can use any native tools such as Remote Desktop Manager to connect to that system directly. Next, Jin will proceed to start the session right from within the change, where the privileged account and its password will be injected into the initiation of the session. Next, Jin will access a Linux server to which the change has already been approved. Once again, she can request access to the password of the privileged account to access that system directly, or initiate a session right from within the change. Here, Jin will start an SSH session to that system through Password Safe right within the change request. Jin can either copy the SSH connection string and paste it into her shell of choice, or launch that session using her native or default SSH tool. This concludes our demonstration of BeyondTrust Password Safe and Jira Service Management. For more information, please reach out to your BeyondTrust representative. Thank you.